Hi guys, it's me, Shreya.
I'm Himanshu.
Hello guys, I'm Shantanu.
And me, Yash.
So we all know how to send an email. However, most of us are unaware of what goes on behind the scenes. It is very interesting.
The most essential components of email working are first, mail servers. A mail server receives incoming emails from the local users as well as from remote senders and forwards outgoing email for delivery. There are two types of the mail server. The mail server, which is used for outgoing email, is called MTA or Mail Transfer Agents. The other mail servers, known as MDA, the Mail Delivery Agents, used for incoming using POP3 or IMAP protocols. Second, user agents. They are the interfaces through which the user can create an email. They are application based as well as web based. Application based includes the services like Gmail, whereas web based includes the services like Outlook.
Let's dig into the main working. Suppose I want to send an email to Yash asking how's he. I'll write it using my user agent. This email will travel from my personal email system to the series of server called Message Transfer Agent MTA to Yash, or I would say his personal email system. This sensing is done through internet. Simple, isn't it? This is the basic schematic of how email is sent. There are many protocols involved. Also, there are more than one MTA there in the network. Two MTA can communicate through SMTP protocol. For simplicity, for the time being, let us consider only one MTA.
Let us highlight some details. When Himanshu sends me the message, Himanshu writes my email address, that is yash@gmail.com. Basically, the mail is asking Himanshu which MTA he wanted to contact, and Himanshu's answer is the one for gmail.com. Then, the email system asks which user at the MTA you want me to deliver the message to once it gets there, and the answer is Yash. So it tells the computer and the network that send this message to Yash, who is at MTA called gmail.com. This step is called DNS lookup. The system sends a request to find out the corresponding MTA of the recipient. So this will be done with the help of the MX record. After the DNS lookup, a response is given to the requested mail server with the IP address of the recipient's mail server. This way, the two mail server is identified.
Now, since the email is sent by Himanshu, his user agent will add the header indicating the recipient's address, that is, himanshu@ymail.com. If Himanshu had attached some extensions other than text file, like media or audio, then UA attached another header called Mime Header. MIME, that is MIME, stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. It allows email to carry different design elements. After that, the message Himanshu had created will be attached and this packet is sent to MTA. The first MTA launches its own header onto the packet so as to track the journey of it. In the same way, each MTA attaches its own header to the email packet. This comes to handy to solve cyber crimes.
When when UA of Yes downloads the new emails, MTA2 will send the message to the UA. Two protocols can be used here. If we use POP3, then the whole email will be downloaded to the local computer and the copy at the server gets deleted. If the protocol used is IMAP, then the email message is stored in the mail server itself, but the user can easily manipulate the emails on the mail server as in the local computer. This is the difference when using both the protocols, and this is how your email get delivered.
So email arrives at Yash's UA with all of its header attached. Sometimes header are more than the actual message. However, modern UA do not display all of these headers to the user. Yash can only see the address of Himanshu and the actual message. Yash has now received the message. If some error occurred to send the email will be delayed. There is a mail queue in every mail server. These mail will be pending in the mail queue. The mail server will keep trying to resend the email. Once the email sending fails permanently, the mail server will send a bounce back email message to the sender's email address. This explains why you may be getting bonus back emails sometimes. The reason for bouncing back will be explained in the message. There are many reasons for getting an email to bounce back, such as incorrect email address in the to field.
So guys, I hope we explained it neatly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.